Hey there friends, Nibs again, out here at the range today, doing a little bit of goofing around, and I got something pretty exciting to show you guys, and just fresh coming in from Terry over at Buck Rail. And what I have is something to make this Iconix a lot more backyard friendly. Pretty darn cool. I'm just going to shoot it at 25 yards today, even though it's not windy out here, but I'm just going to keep it at 25 yards. Just wanted to give you guys a quick look to show you that it's working. I told him it was right around 18 millimeters. He printed it out and it fit perfect on there, along with his collet suppressor that I already had here. All he had to do was send me the collets. But I'm sure by the time this gets up on my YouTube, he'll have these available. I'm sure you can at least get a hold of them and get them in your hands. He already has the collet suppressors in-house, so just needs to get the, I'm sure he's already got them, probably a stash of them already printed out waiting for me to post this up. But let's go ahead and do some shots with it. I have the tank topped off. I'm just shooting these Crossman Premier hollow points. I have my target at 25 yards, and mostly I want to do some plinking with it. I have my steel targets sitting on the box there, so let's just do a quick group with it first, and then we'll I'm going to go to number 25. Just so much quieter. This thing was like a 22 high velocity going off before. Now I just need to work on the trigger some more, and this thing will be an awesome gun.
What kind of scope is that on there?
It did push my point of impact just a little bit. I had to do a couple clicks down. Well, actually, I had it zeroed for 50 yards when I did the can challenge, so that's probably the reason why I had to change it. But
Right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, let me check this thing out. What did we agree on for price?
all right, do a couple more, and then we'll do some plinking with it. Just going to be a real quick video for you guys for tonight. I'm actually right up against the end of the day. It is almost completely dark out, but I wanted to get over here and give this thing a try.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, that would silver me as well.
I did shoot it a couple times in the garage, and just night and day difference. It's definitely not garage or backyard friendly without this on there. And all right, let me throw my ears in real quick. Got some guys over here sharing the range with me today, so have to deal with some gunfire, but that's okay. All right, let's go and shoot some steel here. Let's get the chick in. Again, I got the CV Life 3 to 18 by 50 on here. Super nice scope. Great shooting gun. I had a couple people really kind of poo-poo it because it doesn't have a regulator, but it's under $200 gun, so what do you expect? But even with the shot string kind of, you know, it really kind of tapers off pretty fast. It was really very consistent as far as accuracy goes, all the way down to 25 shots. So I don't know what people are expecting for 180 bucks. It's a lot more gun than a few of the other sub $200 guns, but all right, let's try those black spinners now. sun is setting quick. All right, so hit the. I was hitting off to the left just a little bit with my my group there too. So. Nope. There you go. You don't have a suppressor on that one.
Yeah, it light striked it, yeah, but it was a good hit. I think it was just a jack bolt. I think the
Such a fun gun.
did I take that? Oh, okay.
All right, let's hit some of those upper spots. They're shooting 5.56 at 100 yards.
Very much an oddity. That's actually the first time I've ever seen this thing malfunction.
So I have a new gun coming this weekend, new 22. I won't tell you too much about it, but it is a really old one, and you guys are going to love it. It's going to be a lot of fun for the channel. But that's all I'm going to tell you about it for now. I do have a new Daisy coming too. New Daisy, actually it's a pellet gun. I'm not going to give up too much more than that though. That's really so consistent, but it's so quiet now. But if you are interested in any of this Buck Rail products, look down in the description down below. You'll find my my link for the Buck Rail website, and Terry can take care of you. I'm sure you'll have, like I said, I'm sure you'll have these available along with the collet suppressor. And so much fun. I'm going to run through the silhouettes one more time, and then we'll get out of here. Using the Maple Custom Mags, Maple Custom Products, single shot loader. This will use the same magazine as a 22 caliber Marauder or 22 caliber Air Venturi Avenger.
It feels good. As far as what you're going to receive, it's going to shoot like that. Yep.
All right, haven't missed yet. Guess I shouldn't say too much. But let's hit the ram and we'll get out of here. It is really dark. Oh, just had just enough energy to get them over. But there you go, really cool. I really appreciate all that Terry does for us guys in the airgun community. Really good stuff. And I'm sure this will be a big hit for him again. Got my Zelos out here too, plinking around a little bit too, but really wanted to show this off for you guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.